Case name Rohan and age is 35 years and today date is 23rd October 2025 and complaint of childish voice even after puberty and ENT finding is grade 1 Sulcus Vocalis. तो मुझे treatment से पहले का voice sample चाहिए. Why you came here?
So basically I have the problem of high pitch voice. So that is the main reason I came here, and when you suggested that you check the vocal cords, तब ये grade 1 sulcus vocalis का भी issue पता चला है.
Post therapy video of Rohan and today date is 30th of October 2025. So Rohan, why you came here, and after this 8 days of voice therapy, how do you feel now?
So basically I came here because I had a weak voice, female kind of voice, but after 8 days of session I feel a change. There is a lot of bass to my voice. People feel that there is a full-grown male who is speaking to them, so I feel that's an improvement.
And what was the laryngoscopy finding?
I had a minimal phonatory gap and sulcus vocalis as well. Sulcus vocalis.
So that was a actually challenging condition, but still you are feeling some good changes. And tell about education, where you studied.
So I did my bachelor's from Mumbai and I am doing my master's from IIIMS Bangalore currently.
Okay, bachelor from which college you did and which areas?
So my college is IIT Bombay and my stream was mechanical.
So what's your career plan?
So I'll complete my master's and hopefully work in a firm in the AI space.
Okay, thanks for coming and showing faith on us. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. And those who are watching this video, please like this video, share this video if you are feeling any positive changes, so that people having phonatory gap as well as sulcus vocalis can get some hope and motivation and they can reach to a right place for their voice therapy.